As storms went through southern Ontario, lots of hail reported and large hail. This was the scene out through Kincardine. This was about marble to grape-sized hail out through Kincardine, but Sauble Beach and Perry Sound both reported ping pong ball sized hail. I have to say that slowly because I can't say that 5 times fast. Very, very large hail was happening with the storms earlier today as they ran into some of that warm, humid air. A lot of convective available potential energy. We call that CAPE in meteorology talk. And so as the sun has gone down and the storms are now rolling through at night, they're still pushing through southern Ontario and the South GTA. New warnings have just been issued for Niagara and Dunnville. But the hail risk, just because the updrafts and downdrafts are not quite as strong, the hail risk is going down and the size of the hail risk is going down as well. We're still looking at heavy downpours and strong winds as these storms come through. So current humidex, I mean, this is all being triggered off by a cold front, which is just about there. So ahead of that front, it's still muggy. Behind it, we are losing some of that humidity. And so tomorrow is going to be a much less humid day. There's a look at the remaining watches and warnings with all of the GTA under the warning, because again, that's where the heaviest of the storms are right now in terms of the wind and the rain and that hail risk. So the darker oranges do indicate where the heavier rainfall is. Lots of lightning within this. The latest lightning here on our detection system, not quite picking up the latest. It's going to take a little while here for that to sort of cache and roll through, but there is a lot of lightning. You do not want to be outside at this point. We also have heavy downpours when we're talking about rainfall rates over 30 millimeters an hour, close to 70 millimeters per hour. There is a risk of some localized flooding coming in out of these storms, and they will continue to push through Toronto. The heaviest is going to be into downtown in about 10 to 15 minutes. Take a look at this, though. Kawartha Lakes out through Peterborough. We've got some large hail potential there in the next few minutes, up to walnut-sized hail. So the hail risk is still there, and all of this starts to push to the south over the next couple of hours. It's going to leave us that rainfall by about 2-3 o'clock in the morning. However, some lingering showers are going to be there into tomorrow morning. And we really got to clear out this cloud cover in order to get up to that high of 24 degrees. The wind will be easing as well. We'll have some gusts up to about 30 kilometers per hour. But tomorrow and Thursday, much less humid, more comfortable conditions. You can see the warm up going into the weekend. Next round of thunderstorms comes through Saturday. And look at the humidex on the bottom of your screen. It is slowly creeping up Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So we still have a summer-like feel to the air as we head into early next week.